Smoke Alarm Solutions is proud to be the leading provider of smoke alarm maintenance and compliance services in Australia. Our 200 expert staff service over 260,000 properties annually. In fact, we have been supporting property managers and landlords since 2007. We have the largest field service capability in the real estate industry, all backed by a dedicated and responsive customer service team. We have been supporting businesses and the industry for the past 10 years. As part of our 10th anniversary and to celebrate reaching double digits, we're giving your landlords 2 years smoke alarm servicing for the price of one. As an added benefit, your agency may be entitled to receive a free iPad at the conclusion of the promotion. Simply register with SAS during February to be eligible for this promotion.